If I had to start from $0 this year, here's exactly what I'd do. If everything I owned disappeared tonight, no money, no network, no reputation, and tomorrow morning I woke up with exactly $0, I wouldn't panic. I'd do something very specific, and most people completely miss it. I want you to imagine this with me. No savings, no safety net, no shortcuts, just you, the phone, an internet connection, and time ticking. This isn't a motivational story. This is a rebuild plan, not theoretical, not idealistic. Exactly what I'd do, step by step, if I had to start from $0 this year. And here's the most important part. Nothing I'm about to say depends on your age, because starting from $0 looks very different once you stop chasing quick money and start building leverage. Step 0, I'd fix my head before I touch money. The biggest mistake people make at $0 is trying to escape desperation. Desperation leads to shortcuts. Shortcuts lead to scams, burnout, or regret. So before I chase income, I'd reset my expectations. No luxury goals. No overnight dreams. My only objective for the first 90 days? Stability, skill, and clarity. That's it. Most people fail because they demand results before they deserve them. The first real move, I'd buy time, not things. At $0, time is everything. So I'd immediately reduce expenses to the lowest sustainable level. Not permanently, temporarily. This is where ego dies. Cheaper lifestyle, fewer distractions, more mental space. I'm not trying to enjoy life yet. I'm trying to buy freedom later. This phase doesn't last forever, but skipping it costs years. Step 1, I choose one skill, not 10. Here's where most people mess up. They start learning everything. Dropshipping, crypto, trading, content creation. Result? Nothing sticks. If I'm starting from $0, I choose one monetizable skill that meets 3 rules. It solves a real problem. People already pay for it. I can practice it for free. Examples? Writing, sales, video editing, design, automation, customer acquisition. No passion nonsense, just usefulness. The uncomfortable phase, I'd practice in public. This part scares people. I wouldn't wait to be ready. I'd document my learning, share progress, post imperfect work. Because visibility accelerates feedback. Silence feels safe, but it's slow. I'm not building an audience yet. I'm building proof of effort, and proof attracts opportunities faster than resumes ever did. Step 2, I trade time for skill, intentionally. Yes, at the beginning, I would trade time for money, but with rules. I wouldn't take random work. I'd take work that sharpens my chosen skill. Low pay is acceptable early. Low learning is not. This phase isn't about income. It's about compression. How fast can I get good? Most people avoid this phase because it bruises ego. That's exactly why it works. The first money and why it matters. The first dollar earned independently changes something inside you. It's not about the amount. It's proof that I can create value without permission. This moment is dangerous. People either get overconfident or get complacent. I do neither. I'd reinvest everything, time, energy, learning. No lifestyle upgrades yet. Step 3, I double down on what responds. Here's a rule I'd follow strictly. Never force ideas. Follow signals. What are people responding to? What requests keep repeating? What problems won't go away? That's where I'd focus. Most people quit too early because they expect clarity up front. Clarity comes after repetition. The shift from worker to operator. At this stage, I stop thinking like a freelancer. I start thinking like a system builder. What can be templated? What can be automated? What can be delegated later? This is where income starts stabilizing. Not explosive yet, but predictable. Predictability is underrated. Step 4, I'd build a small personal brand. Not influencers, not virality, just credibility, sharing lessons, documenting mistakes, explaining what I'm learning. This does three things: builds trust, attracts opportunities, compounds visibility. You don't need millions of followers. You need the right 100 people. The moment most people get stuck, this is where many people plateau. They earn enough to survive, but not enough to scale. Comfort sneaks back in. This is the fork in the road. Do I optimize for convenience? Or do I build leverage? Most choose comfort. I wouldn't. Step 5. I'd create something once. A product, a service package, a system, something that solves a narrow problem, is repeatable, doesn't depend entirely on my hours. This is where time starts disconnecting from income. Slowly at first, then suddenly. The long game. I'd think in years, not months. By now, I'm no longer at $0. But here's the key. I wouldn't rush to look rich. No flashy upgrades. No unnecessary risks. I'd reinvest into skills, network, systems, because the real goal is not money, it's control over time. What I wouldn't do, I wouldn't chase trends blindly, quit stability too early, compare timelines, take advice from people who haven't built anything. Noise kills focus, and focus is fragile at the beginning. Why age doesn't matter here. If you're young, you have time. If you're older, you have perspective. Both are assets. The mistake is thinking it's too late. The real cost is waiting another year. Before starting, let me bring this home. So if I had to start from $0 this year, I wouldn't look for hacks. I wouldn't look for shortcuts. I'd build slowly, deliberately, relentlessly, because the people who win long-term don't rush the beginning. They respect it. Now I want to hear from you. If you had to start from $0 tomorrow, what skill would you choose first, and why? Drop it in the comments. Read others. Respond. And if this video helped you see things more clearly, subscribe. This channel is for people who want to build something real from wherever they are, because starting from zero isn't a disadvantage. It's a blank page. See you in the next video.